Dance Hiccups. Dan enters a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dan is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dan's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dan still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic, but Dan still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic, but Dan still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dan a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dan's hiccup go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. She sings her song. It's beautiful. So crowd shouts and cheers.